Curtis, this you? Boy, this thing clean. What wax you be using? McGuire? Or you got some special stuff from your buddy? Nanos? Or you been using that stuff, man? You a real customer. Boy, this thing so clean. Golly. Where you been saving this money? God, Curtis, how long you done had these? 25 years? It been this clean the whole time?
No, I got painted
In 12 to
2004.
I ain't been painted no 4. Man, this thing, I'm scared to touch it, really. Golly. Well, that's a clean paint job. They taxed you that year. You probably was getting it back then. That's back when Bill Clinton or somebody was president. He was doing all right. They did good. They had some good quality back then, man. They did you right. Golly, that thing clean. I wish I had the other camera to show you. Let me hit it. Okay. Okay. Dang. Boy, he got them wheels tucked on there, too. Golly. Boy, he for real. Where y'all been there? Y'all think Curtis got something? Easing his way up there. Y'all sure right lane car sound way louder. Alright, here we go. Boy, Curtis got that thing turned up, y'all. Y'all seen Curtis running it through there? Curtis ain't playing with y'all. Curtis got that thing running. I should have known he was running. He done had it 25 years. Curtis. He done had that car 25 years. It got a, yeah. You seen it before?
I ain't never painted no ticket. Nice photo.
Yeah, it is.
Hey man, he'll pain free.
Was you betting right here? Oh!
Hey, with that hill,
yeah.
I be thrown outside.
Yeah.
He been saving my ass.
Yeah.
He like pain. See what I'm talking about?
We got my boy, man. Boy, he know how to rock this shirt, man. He put a chain on top of that
Hey,
thing.
man, I was coming out here, man. I gotta represent, you know.
That's no race. The tree never dropped. Hey, I thank him.
Yeah.
He been saving my ass because I was been at the mission.
Yeah. Right lane for the win. Oh, he go the other track.
What he do? Listen, now, I ain't gonna back because it's too Chevrolet.
Yeah.
And all that shit trying to save me shit.
Yeah.
And then as soon as he bet, I pop him dead.
God damn, he be betting on the wrong
He
shit.
be betting on the wrong shit.
Left lane for the win, y'all.
off.
Hey man, we appreciate you looking at keeping the roof up. Hey y'all, we got Boddie Jr. up in here, man. They had, man, he know how to control the car, man. I'm telling y'all that right now. He can know how to control that horsepower. They be putting him in there because they be like, man, that thing too crazy. I ain't finna get in there. He the only one that said, I'll get in there. When he was little, they wouldn't let him drive. And then, so when they finally cut him loose, they was like, well, we just gonna let his dangerous self get in there, man. They said, well, let's get the roll cage right, cause he's young. They gave him a good old roll cage, case anything, but he been handling that thing, man. It's like when I think of your car, man, that's like a wild bull. It's like a wild, it's so responsive. You know how when people get out their gas and get back on it, they gotta go, they'll be, man, what? Like, God damn, did he just start again? It's like he back in first gear. Like, I'm telling you, it's so potent. It's so potent, y'all. It's so potent. Oh, you gonna be this on Friday? What I supposed to be doing?
No prep, June, first week of June.
No prep first week of June? It's going down here?
Nah, it's all the way to Ohio.
Okay, you gonna be in Ohio first week of June. Okay. Well, already, man, I'm glad to see you too. It's been a long time. And everybody be always having your attention. You always busy. If your car here and about the race, can't nobody really get a hold of you. So it's nice to talk to you when you ain't busy. Nice to see you, hear from you and everything, man. You know, I've been trying to get this YouTube channel bumping and jumping. It's been speeding up a little bit. I'm proud of it.
Prettiest race driver on Instagram right here. You know what? Stop telling my business. Look at. I tell you how serious I am about it.